After using air fryer for the first time, I think it's the best. Oh yes, it makes everything easier, okay, and I really love it. So I'm going to use this, and I'm sure the person who got me this will be even fed up. Hello, nice to meet you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my channel. So I have my chicken here. I placed in a seasoned water, okay, and the water contains natural herbs and spice and also all-purpose seasoning, okay. So after that, I added some lemon and it was in the fridge overnight. So this is the next day. I'm just straining the water from it. Make sure that there is no water in there. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to get some basil. Then we get to the next procedure, okay. Wash it very well before you use it for food. So after that, I'm going to tell you all the ingredients that I used on the screen. Yes, I'm going to do that. And this chicken was actually nice. It was delicious and perfect. So if today is the first time here, nice to meet you. My name is Lena and welcome to my channel. And this is a cooking channel, okay, only cooking. So if you are interested, please do not hesitate to subscribe. And do you know the good news about this? It is actually free. If you subscribe, it is free, totally free, 100% free. So please subscribe. And if you are watching me from Facebook, please follow. It is free. And my Facebook page is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Thank you very much. So after mixing it, I'm just going to add some olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, okay. Yes, but I am going to use olive oil. Mix it very well. So you mix it very well. You make sure everything is uniform, okay. You won't see something here and the other thing there. So I'm just going to allow the meat to rest on the paper towel so that I can drain the water from it. So that is what I'm actually doing. And if you are still with me, oh my God, thank you very, very, very much for your love and support. I do appreciate it. But if you've not liked this video till this point, oh please, what are you waiting for? Smash on the like button for me. Yes, and thank you for doing that. So after I'm done with everything, I'm just going to remove the meat and put it in my bowl so that I can massage it with the seasoning, okay, bit by bit. So that is what I'm doing. I'll just place maybe about 6 of that, then I massage it. After that, I add another one, then I massage it so that I can do it very well and also perfectly. So that is actually what I'm doing. Thank you very much for your understanding and thank you for being with me. So this is the first set. I'm just going to add the next one and then massage. Yes, massage it very well. So you can actually straight away put this in the air fryer, or you let it rest so that the seasoning can enter the meat very well, or you can get the nice taste. Even if you don't put it down to rest for a while and you make it straight away, oh my dear, it is going to taste very well, because remember we soaked it in the seasoned water overnight, so it is already delicious. It is already delicious. So after I'm done massaging all this meat, what I will do is that I'm just going to place this somewhere. Then when I'm ready to prepare it, I'll just remove it and put it in my air fryer. So it can be 1 hour, 2 hours, okay, or it can be any hours that you want, but mine rested for just an hour. And we are back. I'll go ahead and spray my air fryer, and then we proceed. I am actually happy to be using the air fryer. Can you imagine? So I'll just put the meat in the air fryer, and then we proceed. I'm not going to put all the, but I will put depending the space, okay, of the air fryer. So that is what I'm doing. And when the first set is ready, I will remove the drumstick and then add the rest of the thighs, okay, off camera, so that the video will not be long. Okay, yes. So now our chicken is looking good and it is ready. So I'll go ahead and remove the drumsticks and then add the thigh, the rest of the thigh, because the thigh is very big and it is not ready. Okay, so this one is ready. So after everything, oh my goodness, I was going to bath so that when I come back, I'll come and do my thumbnail. They finished everything, falla, and this is all what is left to. I couldn't take the thumbnail because I said, okay, let me use this one. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Hey, Mimbe.